Hey WordPress warriors, this is Daps here from Siok Media. I don't know if you've ever felt like drowning in plugins. I see you. I mean forms, pop-ups, sliders, search bars here, user role plugins there. It's chaos. Well, I just want you to imagine replacing 15 of them with just one suit. Stick around cause Great Suit is just going to do that for you. Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single plugin that this beast will replace for you, why it matters and how you can reclaim your time, your sanity, and yes, even your page speed score. Are you ready? Then let's get started. The very first one on my list here is the form plugins, and notable are just WPForms, Gravity Forms, Ninja Forms, and quite a bunch of them. Grade will help you create a multi-step form with multi-step logic, conditional fields, double opt-in, and analytics. You don't need to worry your head sick about installing a form plugin or paying to get one. Did you know that according to HubSpot, improving your forms can increase conversion by 74%? Grade Form helps you build smarter, not just prettier forms, right inside the native block editor. No need for any third-party builder whatsoever, and I think that's super cool. The next one here is their famous pop-up builder, and this will replace popular plugins like OptinMonster, Pop-up Maker, and quite a number of plugins in the WordPress repository that can help you build pop-ups. Pop-ups don't have to be a paid plugin anymore. Great pop-up let you trigger pop-up based on scroll depth, user action, exit intent, and even referral source, all built in. That's super cool. And there's another fun fact, exit intent pop-ups can recover 10 to 15% of abandoning visitors. Huge for lead generation. And I think that's something you don't want to throw away. And the third one here is page builders. Notable is Elementor, Spectra, Beaver Builder. You can name a few. But really, with Great Suit, you can forget bulky page builder. Great will just help you enhance Gutenberg with dynamic template, layout tools, and conditional logic backed by blocks. And this means that you still get all the design control without the weight, which means better performance, better search engine optimization, and less dependencies. The fourth on my list is the custom post type manager. You can create and manage custom post types and taxonomies directly using Grade. No separate plugin needed. You can begin to think members, project, resources, all styled dynamically. You don't need to write a piece of code. You don't need to overload your WordPress website with custom CSS. All this is built in for you. And the fifth on my list is Conditional Content plugin. If you want to show different message to logged in user, first time visitor, people coming from Instagram, with Great Dynamic Content is native. Your site will respond like a smart app. According to a Salesforce report, personalization increases engagement by 89%. This is not just fluff, it's performance marketing. Another plugin this would replace on my list is social sharing plugins. And there are quite a number of plugins that you can install in the WordPress repository to give you something custom, something unique for you to have social shares active on your WordPress website. Great include native social share blocks with styling options and tracking building. No need for extra code, bloat, or external script. It's just amazing. And the seventh one is sliders and carousel plugin. When I talk about sliders and carousel, plugin like Slider Revolution comes to my mind immediately. I don't know what slider you're using, but sliders generally have bad reputation, mostly because they are heavily and poorly coded. But now with Great query loop block in slider mode, you get native fast loading carousel tied to your dynamic content, block sliders, product sliders, you name it. The 8th plugin this suite would be relieving you of is your site search and filter. Search WP is a fantastic plugin, but this would just naturally bury that plugin. Advanced search is no longer premium only. Great Suite brings real-time filterable search to any post types or taxonomy right out of the box. Did you know that bounce rate drop up to 12% when users find content faster? And this is said by Nelson Norman Group. And this is amazing, and this is so true. The 9 plugins here are user roles and access restriction plugins. You can now begin to control who sees what on your site with this built-in role manager. You can create custom user roles and restrict pages, posts, sections of your content, all without a separate plugin. And I think this is fantastic too as well. So now let's go to the 10th one here, which is website management tool. With GradeHub, you can manage all your WordPress site from one dashboard. I find this amazing, and I'm going to be sharing more about this in my next tutorial. I will show you how you can manage your multi-site using GradeSuite. You can now update your plugins, themes, you can push from staging to live, run backups, all from one clean, intuitive UI. Amazing. This will be lifesaver for you if you're designing website for clients' business, or you're running a WordPress agency and you have lots of clients, or you are running a franchise business and you want to have all of your website sync in one place. And at number 11, I have staging and deployment tool. Grady lets you create staging environments. You can test changes there, you can push live, all built in. You don't need to install another plugin for this. At number 12 is your website optimization plugin like WP Rocket. Native lazy loading for images, videos, or background element is built right into Grade. You can now say goodbye to extra optimization plugin. I don't need to say this, but I should mention it. Google recommend lazy loading to improve largest contentful paint LCP, which is a key core web vital. You don't want to sleep on this. Going to the 13th one is the global template. Now you can have headless content sync. Create ones, use everywhere, sync template, forms, content across multi-site. And this is what I personally call content management level efficiency. At number 14 is search and replace plugin. If you need to replace a word, image, or a short code across your entire site, great search and replace tool handles that with surgical precision. You would never appreciate the value of this plugin until you have a need to just change a letter in a word on your website, and you have probably used this word like 1,000 times on your website. And I imagine if you have a multi-site and you have the same word, for example, you have plugins and you want to change it to plugin, and you need to go to all those pages, but with Grade, you can just put in that word and with a click of a button, change this word across your website. And I think this is a super awesome tool to have available at your disposal. And going to the last, which is not the least, is the analytics and form performance tool. Default plugins that come to my head is Monster Insight, WP Statistics. You can now begin to track form conversions, drop-off rate, A and B testing, all within your WordPress dashboard. It's not about just collecting leads, it's more about learning what works for your WordPress website. So that's it. That's 15 plugin replaced for you. So if you're ready to declutter your stack and supercharge your WordPress build, GradeSuite is more than a plugin. It's a full WordPress website building OS. To lay your hands on these, you can just go to their website and download the free version and test it out. No credit card needed, no expiry, just pure productivity. And if you love the tool and you feel this is the plugin for you, then you can invest in their paid plan. And hey, just before I end this tutorial, if you want a deep dive tutorial on any of the 15 features, you can drop anyone that you are most keen about in the comment section. We'll be happy to hear that from you. And who knows, that might just be the next video that we're going to be uploading on this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it super useful, give it a thumbs up and drop your feedback about GradeSuite in the comment section. We want to know your experience testing out this tool. I would see you again in that tutorial, and until then, have a nice time.